Hello everyone, welcome in RK Tutorials Simnaga YouTube channel. I am RK sir. Today we are going to discuss about causative of future continuous tense because previous class already we have finished that causative of future indefinite tense. I hope you have completed. So let's start. The causative of future continuous tense rule of distinguish the sentence. Rule is saying that जिस वाक्य के अंत में वा रहा हूँगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे रहे, उसे पॉजिटिव ऑफ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं। जैसे मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा, हम लोग तुम्हें गाना गवा रहे होंगे, राधा तुम्हें गणित बनवा रही होगी, मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा। सो दैट वट एवर आई हैव गिवन द हिंदी एग्जाम्पल एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस यू आर लिसनिंग दैट वा रहा होगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे. So if you find like that of sentence in Hindi, then without hesitation you can say that this sentence is belonging from causative of future continuous tense. So now I am writing, so please you take pen and copy and write down with me how जिस वाक्य के अंत में वा रहा हूँगा, प्लीज बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. जिस वाक्य के अंत में वा रहा हूँगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे, वा रहे होंगे, रहे, उसे causative ऑफ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. वंस अगेन आई वांट टू से दैट जिस वाक्य के अंत में वा रहा होगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे, रहे, उसे causative ऑफ फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. लेट्स वी टेक सम हिंदी एग्जांपल. मैं तुम्हें हल चलवा रहा हूँगा, मैं तुम्हें हल चलवा रहा हूँगा. Very simple because already we have finished that present past, so that we are doing the future, so you have to be careful. हम लोग तुम्हें गाना गवा रहे होंगे, गवा रहे होंगे. तुम मुझे भात पकवा रहा होगा, वह तुम्हें कपड़ा धुलवा रही होगी, धुलवा रही, वह तुम्हें कपड़ा धुलवा रही होगी. वे लोग तुम्हें मछली पकड़वा रहे होंगे, राम तुम्हें आम तोड़वा रहा होगा. If I say सीता, then सीता तुम्हें गणित बनवा रही होगी. So that whatever I have taken the Hindi example, end of the sentence you are looking that वा रहा होगा, वा रहे होंगे, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे, वा रहा होगा, and वा रही होगी. So if you find like that of sentence in Hindi, then without hesitation you can say that this sentence is belonging from causative of future continuous tense. So how to remember? जिस वाक्य के अंत में वा रहा होगा, वा रहा होगा, वा रही होगी, वा रहे होंगे, रहे, उसे causative of future continuous tense का वाक्य कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं तुम्हें हल चलवा रहा हूँगा, हम लोग तुम्हें गाना गवा रहे होंगे, तू मुझे भात पकवा रहा होगा, वह तुम्हें कपड़ा धुलवा रही होगी, वे लोग तुम्हें मछली पकड़वा रहे होंगे, राम तुम्हें आम तोड़वा रहा होगा, एंड सीता तुम्हें गणित बनवा रही होगी. So I hope you are able to understand causative of future continuous tense. So let's start rule of making sentence. Rule of making sentence is saying that subject plus will be plus making plus object plus V1 plus main object. Just like previous class I have taken the rule, but that was future indefinite tense, that means causative of future indefinite tense, and today we are discussing the causative of future continuous tense. So please again you take pen and copy and write down with me how the rule is that subject plus will be plus V4, that means making, subject plus will be plus making plus object plus V1 is compulsory, and here you have to write main object. And already I have told you that this object will use for the person. Each and every class I am saying that, so that you have to careful, all of you please. So finally I have given you the rule of making sentence of causative of future continuous tense. What is? Subject plus will be plus making plus object plus V1 plus main object. So let's try to take some example. So my Hindi is that मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा. Then what will happen? I will be making you write a letter. I will be making you write a letter. That means मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा. If I say we, then we will be making you write a letter. Like that, if I say तुम मुझे पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा, then you will be making me write a letter. If I say वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा, then he will be making you write a letter. Very simple, only you have to careful about the rule. That means your tense is good, then you can do causative. So if I say वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रही होगी, then he will be making you write a letter. If I say वे लोग तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहे होंगे, then they will be making you write a letter. Very simple. Each and every class I am saying that you have to focus the rule. Easily you can make the sentence. If I say राम तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा, then Ram will be making you write a letter. So like that you can take loads of example. This is a letter. So let's we discuss in Hindi. So मेरा रूल क्या है? सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस मेकिंग प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस मेन ऑब्जेक्ट. तो ये हमारा रूल. इस रूल के अनुसार हम लोग कुछ वाक्य लिए हैं. आप देखिए यहाँ सब्जेक्ट है ना, तो सब्जेक्ट रूप में मैंने क्या लिया? I, we, you, he, she, they and Ram. सभी क्या है? सब्जेक्ट. उसके बाद रूल क्या कहता है? विल बी. तो इस सब्जेक्ट के बाद हर एक सेंटेंस में आप क्या देखते हैं? विल बी. उसके बाद यहाँ मेकिंग. ये मेकिंग ना पॉजिटिव वर्ब है, इसको ध्यान रखिएगा. इसलिए हर एक सेंटेंस में आपको मेकिंग देखने को मिल रहा है. उसके बाद क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. ये ऑब्जेक्ट डिपेंड करेगा डिमांड पर. यदि डिमांड होगा तो हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. मैं हर एक क्लास में आपको बता रहा हूं, लेकिन डिमांड के अनुसार इस वाक्य में हम लोग क्या लिए हैं? यू और मी. उसके बाद V1. तो V1 के रूप में राइट. मैंने हमेशा एक ही वर्ब का प्रयोग कर रहा हूं पॉजिटिव में, ताकि किस तरह से परिवर्तन होता है, हाउ टू चेंज, उसको आप समझने का प्रयास करें. इसलिए मैं वर्ब में परिवर्तन नहीं कर रहा हूं. उसके बाद यहाँ मेन ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो मेन ऑब्जेक्ट का रोल कौन सा अदा कर रहा है? ए लेटर. इसलिए हर एक वाक्य में आपको दिख रहा है क्या? ए लेटर. तो फाइनली हमारा रूल क्या हो गया? सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस मेकिंग प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस मेन ऑब्जेक्ट. और ये ऑब्जेक्ट किसके लिए प्रयोग होता है? पर्सन के लिए होता है. सो लाइक दैट यू कैन टेक लोड्स ऑफ एग्जांपल. सो लेट्स सी कम इन हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन. देन आई कैन से I will be making you write letter. मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा. We will be making you write letter. हम लोग तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहे होंगे. You will be making me write letter. तुम मुझे पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. He will be making you write letter. वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. She will be making you write letter. वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रही होगी. They will be making you write letter. वे लोग तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहे होंगे. Ram will be making you write letter. राम तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. मैं तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा हूँगा. हम लोग तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहे होंगे. तुम मुझे पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. वह तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रही होगी. वे लोग तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहे होंगे. राम तुम्हें पत्र लिखवा रहा होगा. लाइक दैट यू कैन टेक लोड्स ऑफ एग्जांपल. सपोज आई एम सेइंग दैट मैं तुम्हें पेड़ लगवा रहा हूँगा. देन व्हाट विल हैपन? I will be making you plant tree. We will be making you plant tree. You will be making me plant tree. He will be making you plant tree. She will be making you plant tree. They will be making you plant tree. And Ram will be making you plant tree. Like that you can take huge amount of sentence. That means you can take loads of sentence for the causative of future continuous tense. Then bit by bit you have to improve. So your duty is that you have to remember all the rule. If you remember, then you can easily make the sentence when you speak with anyone. Whenever you try to speak, whenever you learn English, then पॉजिटिव विल हेल्प यू मोर एंड मोर. सो हाउ टू रिमेंबर, जिस वाक्य के अंत में वारहा होगा, वारहा होगा, वारही होगी, वारहे होंगे रहे, उसे पॉजिटिव और फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का वाक्य कहते हैं. जैसे मैं तुम्हें गाना गवा रहा हूँगा, हम लोग तुम्हें पानी लगा रहे होंगे, राधा तुम्हें कथक नचवा रही होगी, वे लोग तुम्हें हॉकी खिलवा रहे होंगे. सो रूल ऑफ मेकिंग सेंटेंस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी प्लस मेकिंग प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस मेन ऑब्जेक्ट. For example, I will be making you write letter, we will be making you write letter, you will be making me write letter, he will be making you write letter, she will be making you write letter, they will be making you write letter, Ram will be making you write a letter. Like that you have to remember. Then whenever you make the sentence, then easily you can make the sentence and you can improve your English, and one day sure you will speak English with anyone. I hope you are enjoying my class and you are doing very well in the class. So thank you for this class. But let's start speech. In speech today I have taken the very good and small topic, that is school life, because you are a student, so that I hope you are understanding what is the value of school life. So it is the very good topic for you, for the learning English, for the knowing about the school life. But I will try to deliver a speech in a nutshell, so you will try also better than me each and every class I am saying. But one thing I want to say you, that if you do this class, then don't forget the previous class. Why? Because in present we are doing speech and man-to-man talk, that means conversation class, both. So that you have to do one by one. Conversation is very important part in spoken, and speech will help you how to make the sentence. So that one by one I am taking the class speech plus conversation, so that you have to continue both class, then you can improve. And the most important thing, that you have to talk with your friend, talk with your family member, then you can improve your English. So today let's start the topic school life. School life is a golden life, because in school life there is no pressure and no tension. In school life, whatever you will demand anything to your parents will fulfill your needs without hesitation. And whenever any problem come in school life at home, then your parents will solve all the problem. And whenever any problem come in school, then our teacher will help us. So that school life is golden life. School life is very good life. My dear friend, in school life we learn the discipline. How? Because in school life we go school on time, we come back school on time. That means we can do each and every work on time. And you know that time maintaining is called discipline, because in school life we manage the time for the going, for the coming, for the reading, for the sleeping. That means we do each and every work on time. That is called the discipline, and we shouldn't forget that discipline makes the nation great. And we learn time maintaining, time management, that means discipline in school, so that we can say school life is golden life. My dear friend, in school life we learn brotherhood, because in school life there is no Hindu, no Muslim, no Christian. That means we can say there is no casteism, only and only teacher and student, so that we can learn the brotherhood. And where there is brotherhood, we can learn unity. And you know that where unity, then you can do each and every work, because we know that unity is strength, so that we can say school life is good life. My dear friend, in school life game and sports are available, so that if we take interest, if we participate in game and sports, then our health will good. If our health will good, then we can do each and every work. As well as by the help of game and sports, we can become a great person, because in present we are looking that loads of person are becoming a great person by the help of game and sports. And these facilities are available in school life, so that we can say that school life is a good life. My dear friend, we shouldn't forget that in school life, agriculture program is happening. By the agriculture program, we can develop our personality, we can remove our hesitation, because when we go front of the people, that means when we go in stage, that means on the stage, then we can remove our hesitation, we can participate, then we can do some different work, we can represent our society, our school, then bit by bit we can improve our personality, we can improve our knowledge, and you know that knowledge is power, so that we can say school life is good life. So my dear friend, lastly I want to say, in present we are students, so that we should understand the value of school life and we shouldn't miss the school life. Thank you very much. Like that you have to do this topic, school life, because this is very important for us. I hope you are understanding this topic, because I am trying to use the very simple English. Why? Because you can learn English, and you have to learn, then you can talk English and you can improve your English, and you can do each and every work in English. So I hope you are able to do this class. So thank you very much for watching my video and taking my class.